For both China and Hong Kong, the most typical trademarks would be, of course, word marks and device marks. Device marks meaning marks with figurative elements. However, we would encourage brand owners to try to think about what other signs that they can seek trademark protection for in the form of non-conventional trademarks. For example, in Hong Kong and China, we can have three-dimensional marks, or what we call shape marks. One problem about shape marks is that the shape will tend to be considered to be depicting the shape of the product or the packaging of the product. So when a brand owner applies for the registration of a shape as a shape mark, there may be a problem in respect of the distinctiveness of the mark. This is one difficulty that they may face with. Apart from the distinctiveness problem, a shape mark can be rejected if it is a shape that is a result from the nature of the product, or if it is a shape that is necessary to obtain a particular technical result, or if the shape itself will give substantial value to the product. Apart from the distinctiveness problem, a brand owner has to take note that these are some of the objections that they may face with if they apply for a shape mark. Apart from shape marks, in Hong Kong and China, the other kinds of non-conventional marks include sound marks. But for sound mark, the difficulty would be how you will be able to represent the sound. So in China, you are allowed to file a sample of the sound with the Chinese Trademarks Office. And then you need to describe the mark by way of musical notation. And you can also file a written description of the sound mark. In Hong Kong, it is a little bit different. You can describe the mark by way of the musical notation, but you are not allowed to file a sample. Even if you file a sample, it is going to be taken for reference only. In Hong Kong, we can also have smell marks and motion marks, but not in China. And then for color per se, it can be registered as a trademark. A single color can be registered as a trademark in Hong Kong, but not China.